How to delete general chat in Telegram. If you have a Telegram account and you want to delete some chats or some kind of general chats, this is how you do it. First, launch your application. And once you launch your application, here you will be shown with all of your chats. So let's say I want to delete this one because this is the only chat I have right now. So what you want to do is, if you open the chat, you can see the three dots at the top right. Just tap on it and you can see there is this option that says delete chat at the very bottom. Tap on it. So one good thing about Telegram is that it lets you delete chat for the other person as well, so you can manipulate from the both side. Even if it's some text sent by them, you can even delete it for them and yourself. So that is the one good thing about Telegram. So if you just want to delete the chat for the other side as well, you just check this box, and if you click on this delete chat, your chat will now be deleted. If you want to undo, you can just do this, because Telegram gives you 5 seconds to recover your chats, because once you have deleted it, you cannot recover it in any way. So if you can delete chats because if they are irrelevant to you, or if you don't want your inbox to be full of chats and you want it to be clean. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.